Welcome to the MATRIXCHART Systems. My name is Steve and I'll be your designated driver throughout this entire video. I want to warmly welcome you to this presentation. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to use the MATRIXCHART Systems. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone who is totally new to trading, you will begin to see how simple it is when you have the MATRIXCHART Systems to help you get clearer distinctions on the market and its trends. In this product introduction, you will learn the most important features you will get to use in the MATRIXCHART Systems. You will see how you can understand the global market sentiment, break through trends with the vector search analysis methodology, and filter viable stocks with the 7 smart strategies. Let's do a walkthrough of the MATRIXCHART Systems. When you log into the MATRIXCHART Systems, you will see this page. This is the signal selection page, and on the signal selection page, you will see the market sentiment meter. The market sentiment meter is important because it tells us whether the market is feeling bullish or bearish. The higher the percentage given, the more bullish it is. The lower the percentage, the more bearish the market is. In fact, it's so simple and easy, we have even color-coded it. When this bar turns green, it means that the market is experiencing strong bullish sentiments. If it's orange, it's moderately bullish. If it's yellow, it's moderately bearish. And if it's red, it means that the market is experiencing strong bearish sentiments. If you like more data and more information, you can study the chart on the right. Now, to learn how to filter stock. We want to filter stock because there might be hundreds and even thousands of stocks in the market. So filtering stock will allow us to focus on a couple of stocks that are more viable or about to trend. To filter stock, click on the Advanced tab. When you click on the Advanced tab, there will be a list of criteria that you can key in to filter the stock. We have 7 strategies, 6 for long and 1 for shorting. As an example, let's pick a long strategy called the uptrending signal. There are lists of other criteria that you can key in, but to make it simple, let's just screen for an uptrending signal strategy. When you click on screen, what the system does is it goes into all the stocks and filters out the stocks that have shown the uptrending signal. There you have it, a list of stocks that has showed the uptrending signal. Let me go through quickly what this table means. On the left column, it is the name of the stock. The more important columns that you need to know are the signal strength meter, the risk threshold meter, and the trend momentum meter. The signal strength meter tells us the strength of the signal, which means it tells us how much more probable it is for the stock to move in that particular trend. The risk threshold meter tells us how much risk we are taking when placing a trade in this stock. The trend momentum meter tells us how fast the stock is moving, how much faster it could go, or is it slowing down. Last but not least, a key component in the filtering of stock is this indicator on the right hand side of the table. Whenever this icon pops up, it means that all the signals are pointing positively towards the trend of this particular stock. So when it pops up, pay lots of attention. If you are a seasoned trader and you like to work with the charts and the numbers, you can click on the stock that you're looking at, and immediately a chart will open up. Now this chart has already been analyzed by the strategies of matrix chart. If you like to analyze the chart yourself, you can click on this icon on the right, and voila, you just have the candlesticks. And you can use these tools over here to analyze your data. Whether is it to draw a support line or a resistance line, you can do it with all these tools. The great thing is you can still select the signals and the strategies on the bottom right hand corner. So let's look at the next page, the alert page. On the alerts page, you will also see 3 different pages: the daily stock alert, the weekly market outlook, and the daily commentary. The daily stock alert is a panel of all the stocks that have been carefully analyzed by our stock trading expert. Anytime a certain stock is about to run or trend, the stock will be handpicked by our guru and placed on this page. The weekly market outlook shows us hot tips every once a week about the current market. And daily commentary is where you will find daily news feeds about the current market. Lastly, let's talk about the watch list. A watch list is really important if you have a list of stocks that you want to quickly look at any time. Instead of going to search for it every time, a watch list is a list that you can go to at a click of a button. You can add and delete stock easily with the matrix chart system into a watch list. Now, as you have probably realized, there are many other features that we did not have time to talk about in this short introduction. In our next video, we'll be talking about the strategies that are available to you in the matrix chart systems, and how we use vector search analysis to find out market entry points and timing exit profit points. For the latest updates, like us on Facebook, and for more information, go to www.matrixchartsystems.com or click on the link below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.